In 1969, man stepped onto the moon. But what if what he stepped on was already watching him?
Apollo seismic data shows the moon rang like a bell after impact for 3 hours.
Rocks don't hum for hours. Steel does. The hell is this thing made of? Vintage Gibson guitars?
Comrade, what if Moon is hollow space station brought here by aliens?
Yeah, that's too crazy. We publish immediately.
They called it the spaceship moon hypothesis. Basically, aliens hollowed out a planetoid, wrapped it in armor, flew it here, and parked it in orbit. For reasons.
The moon is 400 times smaller than the sun and 400 times closer. Perfect eclipses.
Oh sure, just a cosmic coincidence. Like your ex accidentally texting at 2 a.m.
Also mascon, strange gravity blobs. We don't know why they exist.
Maybe they're just machinery mounts, or alien septic tanks. Either way, nobody's talking.
The moon is 100% rock. Just plain rock. Nothing inside. Shut up.
Then why does Hollywood keep showing us hollow moons, lunar vaults, and alien AI? Is it soft disclosure? Are we being drip-fed the truth through Halle Berry and Roland Emmerich?
You are not alone. This vessel was placed for observation. Earth is under evaluation. Phase reinitialization is near.
I knew I shouldn't have stopped taking my liver cleanse.
Your textbooks are incomplete. Your history was curated. Your moon is not your moon.
So, is the moon hollow, ancient, alive, or just tired of being blamed for your mood swings? I'm Eldon Bastion. You've been watching C.L.A.Y, where we dig up the past, poke it with a stick, and ask if it's still breathing.